Do you think we should go to the beach? Go look for mantas? Should we go swimming?
Yes.
Maybe I'll go foiling if the wind comes up. All of these things?
All of these.
So many things! Today, we return to one of our most beloved places.
I'm just ready to explore.
Yeah,
Amazing.
and the boat is still for the first time in 3 months.
How special is this, huh?
Oh, I'm so happy we're back here.
I know!
Just like everything about it. Craving this for such a long time.
But before we could enjoy any of it, we still had the task of navigating Delos through a minefield of bommies. And as dawn slowly broke, we braced ourselves in anticipation.
Morning.
Yeah, I've just been slowly motoring up into the wind. I think that it just went from ebb to flood, so it should be flooding now until 10. So we should be able to zoom through.
We have been into this pass twice before.
This is our old track. Last time we left, so we're just gonna follow that one in. We're going to be in calm water soon. I know that much. Entering atolls can be tricky business, fraught with hidden reefs and lurking bommies. But because Kaz and I have done it so many times together, we have it down to an art. We slip into our roles silently, each knowing exactly what to do as we navigate through the pass and into the calm waters of the lagoon. But with a lack of decent light this morning. Can you see anything?
No?
Okay, good.
The visibility is shit.
Okay, perfect. That's what I like to hear.
Yeah.
That's okay. We've got 2 tracks to follow, and I've also got the satellite map overlays on Navionics, which is super useful. Out here, good visibility isn't guaranteed. Plus, it was sunrise, and we were headed east, which makes it difficult to see shallow waters directly into the light. We would need to depend on our charts and satellite images, something we wouldn't normally attempt. Except, we've been in and out of Rarea a few times and knew it quite well. Up ahead, We Sail went first and we followed closely behind.
We are in and it was smooth like my bottom.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Cool, we're full speed ahead. We'll see you guys soon.
What's that?
Oh, that's Daddy's secret candy stash. Daddy was eating chocolate on watch last night.
I have one?
You want one for breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay. It'll be our secret, okay? We don't tell Mom? We always tell Mom, but we tell her after we do it. That's the trick. Okay. Eventually, we worked our way through unscathed, and spirits were high. What do you think, Kaz?
So excited! I'm having all the feelings that I did not have when we arrived into the Marquesas. Like, I'm feeling happy, I'm feeling like so much freedom. I feel stoked. I'm just ready to explore.
Yeah, and the boat is still for the first time in 3 months. We did it.
We did it,
Okay,
Sierra!
I just backed down. The hook
Yeah.
is set. Let's snub it up.
Cool.
Let's cook a fat feast.
Yes, so hungry. After finishing a passage like this, where it's been a few days of non-stop sailing, I feel like I really struggle with my sleep pattern. And I don't know if you can relate, but I need like a solid 8 hours to feel like a human the next day. So for the last couple of months, I've been drinking Dream, that is also the sponsor of this week's video. It's become my cozy nighttime routine right before bedtime, and I've definitely noticed that I'm able to fall asleep faster, stay asleep throughout the night, and also like waking up feeling more rested, which is amazing. I like all the flavors, but I think my favorite is the chocolate peanut butter mixed with with almond milk. It's filled with the highest quality sleep-promoting ingredients. It has no added sugar, dairy-free, which is crucial for me. And personally, when I sleep better, my mood is improved, I feel less stressed, and I just feel happier overall. And I also think Brian likes me a little bit more. So if you're like me and like to get a solid night's sleep, click the link in the description below or scan the QR code that I will put right here on the screen and use the code SVDelos for up to 35% off our exclusive discount.
Not too shabby, huh?
Oh my god, it's so good.
And look how still the boat is.
I'm so stoked right now. I like put my tea up here.
And it didn't fly
and then
anywhere?
I was like, no, oh yes, I can do that. I can just like put things down without them like flying.
You can just leave the plates there and they don't slide and fly off in your lap. It's Sunday fun day, by the way. Do you think we should go to the beach? Should we go look for mantas? Should we go swimming?
Yes.
Maybe I'll go foiling if the wind comes up. All of these things?
All of these
So many things!
After weeks of roughing in the Marquesas, this paradise is a sight for sore eyes. Failing to spot any mantas, we diverted our attention to this instead. A strange little floating platform that turned out to be a FAD, which stands for Fish Aggregation Device, that had somehow washed into the lagoon and was now giving fish shelter inside. We were honestly just happy to be out here and back amongst nature.
It's amazing and it's so clear. Woo!
How many sharks do you see? 5 sharks?
So many.
So many birds too. Look at all these birds.
What is the bird doing? What did you guys bring?
We brought Sierra's brand new kite. Do you know how to fly it?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm ready. So ready.
You ready?
Yes.
Whoa, Sierra!
Whoa, look at you.
Ooh, you're flying it, Sierra!
Wow, good job.
Oh! Nice, Sierra! Is it exciting?
Uh-oh.
Tighten, tighten! So this is where we are right now. It's a little windy, so
First of all, you notice the boat is not rolling.
it's not rolling. Maybe it's so still. It's amazing, and
Getting into our cruising vibe. Doing
Yeah.
what we love to do best. Here we go.
what are we doing?
Barbecue burgers on the beach. It's beautiful here. I love this calm water. It's just so still.
How special is this, huh?
Oh, I'm so happy we're back here.
I know!
It's just like everything about it. Seriously, I just
I feel so happy right now.
craving this for such a long time.
Look at this paradise, huh guys? What the shit? This is the type of cruising that I absolutely love. It's just so special, and there's just like no people. It's just easy and beautiful, and it's just really cool that we can do a bonfire on the beach.
Yeah.
If you asked me to describe my happy place, it would probably look a lot like this. Happiness to me doesn't have to be complicated. It's in the simplest of things. Right now, it's being barefoot in the sand, the smell of barbecue, and of course, friends who sneak an extra patty on your burger.
Yeah. Want the other one?
Cheers for that, Tom.
Thanks.
Something about campfire cooking.
But my happiest of all is right here.
Work is done for the day, and we're out for a little afternoon paddle. And it's just amazing sunny weather today.
Where? Where is it? Right there? Okay, look around. Tell me where they all are, okay?
I love exploring these places. Even though we were here a couple of months ago, it's never the same. We always see different things, and you know, last time we were here we saw so many manta rays, and this time we haven't seen one single one yet. So I know. Family exploring. It's really fun to walk around and see different animals and just talk to Sierra about animals and what they do, and yeah, it's fun.
Over on the other side of the atoll, things looked quite different.
We're just sort of walking out towards the edge of the ocean, the edge of the island,
I love walking to the edge and just like looking at the waves. Kind of
knowing that there's nothing out there, just a big drop off.
a lot of nesting birds here. It's amazing. Oh, I believe we're back here. Feels so cool. I've just been in like the best mood ever.
But in between running around and playing, behind the scenes, Kaz and I have been pouring our hearts and souls into Delos 2.0. Each day, bringing its own set of challenges, but also, at the same time, significant progress.
There's been a lot of very exciting things happening about the boat build of Delos 2.0.
Man, so much going on.
Yeah. Do you want to get into some of that?
Wow. Where to start? Well, the design is complete, and so we signed off on the final design files with
a big step.
David in New Zealand. And so the metal is being cut as we speak. It should be done, I think, the end of this week or maybe early next week.
That's so wild.
It's 9.5 tons of metal, or maybe just under 9.5 tons. And of that, about 2 tons will be scrap. leftover pieces, and 7.5 tons is the actual structure itself.
We have a whole out date. We're holding out in the beginning of May, which feels
May 2nd is
kind
the
of
day.
crazy.
It's so soon.
I know.
And then we'll be off to Brisbane
Yeah.
area. And I think there's a boat show at the end of May in
Oh yeah.
the Gold Coast.
Yeah, that could be cool to go
Um,
to. I don't know. Is there anybody in Australia that is going to that? I don't know how.
If you're in Australia and you'd be interested in doing like some sort of a meetup or a get together or a barbecue or
Could be
whatever,
cool.
let us know.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna play a little trick here. We have this.
How are you guys doing?
Nothing. We're not doing anything.
Do you know? I have such a good idea for a prank.
What?
We should put it on Erica and Warren's boat.
That we found on the beach, and we're gonna put it in here and play a little joke. Imagine seeing that when you open the lid. The idea is you come in here like this.
What did you find?
That freaked me out. Why are you scaring me like that?
Tell Erica.
Maybe Sierra pooped in there and she left it
Oh my
for
God.
you. What is it?
It's a monster
You
poop.
have to look for yourself. Do you want to see it?
I'm nervous.
I would be nervous if I were you too.
What's in the toilet? Is it a Sierra?
No, let her open it herself.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Where did you guys get this?
Gotcha, bitch.
God.
It's a monster poop.
Up next on Delos, we enter a new dimension of cruiser heaven and experience some of the most beautiful conditions we've ever witnessed.
This is paradise. This is definitely my favorite cruising grounds. I can't think of any better kind of setup than just flat, calm water, clear, protected, sunny days, nature, beaches, no people. This is the kind of cruising I love.
No, a stud. That's a good stud. You did so good.
I'm trying my best. But I cannot do it.
Sierra, why do you think there's like hundreds of hermit crabs right there?
I'm making a party.
Are they having a party?
Woohoo!